Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last few sessions we have learned how to create a section view. After that we learned how we can create multiple section views. In today's session we will see how we can insert linear work in section views. In order to do so, we will start with the file saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 44. As the interface has been loaded, now we will proceed further. First, we will access this tool palette and here we will place this basic assembly. Once the assembly has been placed, we will do a couple of modifications. For instance, we don't want this gutter and this platform. We just want the lane and the slope. So we will keep only two things on the right side. We can name it as the right lane. We have already done all of this in previous sessions, so we will do it quickly. We have changed the width to 1.5 meters. The pavement 1 depth is 0.02 meters. Similarly, the pavement 2 depth is 0.02 meters and the base depth as 0.05 meters. The sub-base depth can be kept as 0.1 meters. Once we have verified all the parameters, we can hit apply and then move towards the slope. We will edit this subassembly and name it as the right slope. Under the parameters tab, we can change the cut slope to 1:1, the fill slope to 1:1. The force slope can be changed to 1:1 and similarly the force slope width can be changed to 0.1 meters, the bottom width as 0.1 meters and the back slope can be changed to 1:1 and the back slope width as 0.1 meters. Once it is all done, we can hit apply and press the OK. Then we can mirror it on the left side. On the left side, we have to change the names only as the parameters have already been replicated. Instead of right lane, we have to give the name as left lane. Same goes for the slope. We have to change the name to left slope. Once we are done with this basic assembly, we can proceed further. Go to corridors, create a new corridor, give a specific name for this corridor as homeway. We can keep the style as basic or standard. Let's go with basic for now. We can create a new layer. However, we will give a modifier of suffix as _static. The baseline type would be alignment and profile. We will choose axis 1 as alignment, ground level 1 as the profile, and the basic assembly for the assembly. The target surface would be natural terrain. We will press OK, apply, and rebuild the corridor. Now the corridor has been built. You can see it from here. In the start of session, I explained that we will add the linear work in the section views. To do so, we will go here, add homeway, press apply and then OK. You will clearly see the change in the section views now. As we move towards the section views that we created earlier, now we can see the change. Here you can see the platform and the slope, the left and right lane and the left and right slope are now clearly visible and can be seen in the section views. Under the section properties, we have more options like whether we want to go with this type of object style. Let's hit apply. Here you can see the changes. There are multiple labels now available that show the offset, elevation, the percentage of the slope, and so on. So each and every label indicates a specific parameter against this corridor. Once we are done, we can save this file as lecture number 45, as we were doing all these changes in lecture number 44 file. Once the file is saved, we can simply close this main interface. So this is how we can add the linear work in our section views, which were created already in the last session. I hope you liked it. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.